Yay, it's the Manfrotto 244 variable friction magic arm. Here's a super clamp. It's super and it clamps onto things. See? It's pretty cool. Alright, so here I have my new magic arm, and on top of my slider. So it slides back and forth, super awesome. And then I have my super clamp over there that the GoPro is sitting on top of. Which is pretty awesome. Can flex this guy around. What? Let's do an angle like this. Perhaps like this. There we go. I think it really just doesn't like being centered. So maybe if we tilt it this way. Here's an easy way just to take this guy right off. Boop. And then, since this is on a tripod plate, take it right off. And you can just spin this off without needing to spin the whole tripod head. The cool thing is this magic arm has both a 1/4-20 thread and a 3/8 thread. So you can mount it onto two different items. So I am very pleased with this buy.